Welcome to all TNPSC Master YouTube channel. In this video consists top 100 important computer science questions for all competitive examinations like UPSC, SSC, IBBS, TNPSC, TNEB, RRP, TRP, TNEB, and etc. First question: what type of port send data 1 bit at a time? Correct answer: serial port. Next question: who invented mouse? Correct answer: Douglas Engelbart. Next question: offline operation is the operation of devices without the control of dash. The correct answer: CPU. CPU means central processing unit. What is the technique where encrypted signature used for providing security for the messages or data transferred through the internet? Correct answer: digital signature. How many column text a RGB monitor displays? Correct answer: 80. What is Intel 440X Natoma? The correct answer: motherboard chipset. The ability to convey a message without disclosing your name or identity is called dash. The correct answer: anonymity. Anonymity. Next question: which layer exists between session layer in network layer of the OSI model? Correct answer: transport layer. What is BIS? The Bureau of Indian Standards. Next question: local storage register in the CPU which contains the address of the next instruction to be executed is referred as dash. Address register. What is the display technology used by monitor? Correct answer: CRT. What is the name of a computer program that scans resumes and is said to locate keywords? Correct answer: application tracking system. A disk code which you store in a machine is dash. Correct answer: data disk. Next question: DIF stands for, correct answer, tagged image format. Facts and structured for subsequent processing generally using a computer is dash. Correct answer: data. Where does data on a floppy disk is recorded in rings? Correct answer: tracks. The movement of data from one location of storage to another, if the location are geographically far away, generally done via satellite, is dash. The correct answer: data transmission. What is a method that cannot be used to edit the contents of a cell? Correct answer: pressing the Alt key. What is the primary requisite of a good computer programmer? Correct answer: logical mind. What is used for security purpose, special purpose, and supporting user and hardware? The correct answer: utility software. A record of columns in database management system is called a dash. The correct answer: field. Next question: what designates equipment that might be added to a computer to enhance its functionality? Correct answer: peripheral device. The instructions that tell a computer how to carry out the processing task are referred to as dash. The correct answer: computer programs. Next question: small application program that runs on a web page and may ensure a form is completed properly or provided animation is known as dash. That answer flash. Next question. What is the storage capacity of CD-ROM? Once again, I read in this question. What is the storage capacity of CD-ROM? 650 MB. MB means megabyte. Next question. If you do not want to select any option after opening a menu, then click menu title again or press key dash to close the menu. Okay, transfer escape. Next question. Name the first network that initiated the internet. Once again, I read the questions. This is very important questions. Name the first network that initiated the internet. The right answer, ARPANET. Dash is the amount of detail that a monitor can render. Right answer, resolution. Next question. Name a powerful key that lets you exit a program when pushed. Once again, I read in these questions. Name a powerful key that lets you exit a program when pushed. Okay, transfer escape key. Which storage type does not require constant power? The correct answer, secondary storage. Next question. Hardware configuration consisting of a keyboard and a monitor that is capable of sending and receiving information but has no memory or processing capability is dash. The correct answer, dumb terminals. Next question. What is an acronym of ISDN? The correct answer, Integrated Services Digital Network. Next question. The speed at which the monitor accepts data is called dash. The correct answer, bandwidth. Next question. What is the another term used for computer program? The correct answer, applications. Next question. What are the two kinds of memory? What are the two kinds of memory? Right answer, ROM and RAM. BOS data entry system is used to most extensively by dash. The correct answer, grocery industry. Next question. Which output device uses waves or messages recorded on a magnetic medium to produce audio response? The correct answer, scroll. Next question. What is the intensity of sound? What is the intensity of sound? The correct answer, amplitude. Next question. Name the original IBM PC in the CPU. SIP. The correct answer, 8088. What is RLL? The correct answer, run length limits. Next question. Which key is used in combination with another key to perform a specific task? The correct answer, control key. What is the primary device that a computer uses to storage information? The correct answer, hard drive. Next question. A sequence of previous and unambiguous instructions for solving a problem in a finite number of operations is referred as dash. The correct answer, algorithm. Next question. What is the extension of a Word file in MS Office 2007? The correct answer, .docs. .docx. Next question. What is the method used to protect privacy and security on the internet? The correct answer, cryptography. Next question. Personal logs or journal entries posted on the web is known as dash. The correct answer, blogs. What is DDD? The correct answer, digital diagnostic disc. Next question. Dash generally referred as rechargeable batteries. The correct answer SPS. Next question. What is the full form of CBT? The correct answer computer based training. Next question. What is MPC? The correct answer multimedia personal computer. Next question. What is the technique used which a number of similar items or transactions are processed in groups or pages during a machine runs? The correct answer batch processing. Okay, next question. How many data bits can be moved at a time by VL bus? The correct answer 32 bit. Next question. Internal memory in a CPU is set of dash. The correct answer registers. Next question. What is GORBA? What is GORBA? The correct answer Common Object Request Broker Architecture. Okay, next question. Business transaction conducted over extranet or internet is dash. The correct answer e-commerce. Next question. Which SQL command is used to modify the structure of a created table? The correct answer alter. Next question. What for IPC stands? The correct answer inter-process communication. Next question. What is used to determine the start and the end of each pixel? The correct answer clock timing. Next question. The connection between multimedia presentation and a file containing the song played called as dash. The correct answer link. Next question. What is the process of data written on a two or more hard disks simultaneously over the same channel? The correct answer disk mirroring. The next question. Outlook Express is a scheduler, email client, and dashbook. The correct answer address. Next question. Name the cafe. Name the cafe offering internet browsing facility. 1 second, I read these questions. Name the cafe offering internet browsing facility. The correct answer cyber cafe. Next question. Errors in a computer program are referred as dash. The correct answer bugs. Next question. What is the specialized network device that determines the next network point to which can forward at a packet towards the destination of a packet? The correct answer router. Next question. Name a device that manipulates discrete data and performs arithmetic and logic operations on this data. The correct answer digital computer. The next question. Channel consists of interface cable, power supply, and dash. The correct answer controller card. The next one. What is the method that concerning with the systematic recording, arranging, filing, processing, and dissemination of facts of business? The correct answer data processing. Next one. How to refer each computer on a LAN. Once again, I read this question. How to refer each computer on a LAN? The correct answer workstation. Okay, in the next question, dash is the communication pathway between CPU and the immediate support chip. The correct answer processor bus. Next question. How many memory sockets a motherboard should at least contain dash? The correct answer 4. Process of transferring a file system from one system to another is dash. The correct answer download. Next question. What can be used to send an email to a large group at one time? Correct answer listserv. Next one. What is the basic goal of computer process? The correct answer to convert data into information. Next one. The data is written on two or more hard disks simultaneously over the different channel is the transfer disk double sync. Disk double sync. Next question. When computer is booted, what are loaded into the main memory? The correct answer. Internal command instruction. Internal command instructions. Next one. The process of loading and starting up DOS is called dash. The correct answer. Putting. Next one. Name the technique that deals with a simulation of movement created by displaying a series of pictures of frames. The correct answer. Animation. Next one. The act of stealing, cheating, or otherwise defrauding an organization with the use of a computer is dash. The correct answer. Cybercrime. Next one. Plotter, speaker, and monitor are example of dash. Output devices. Next one. Which term is used for the average time that it takes for a sector to be available after the heads? Correct answer. Latency. Next one. What controls the microprocessor? Correct answer. Program. Next one. Two or more computers connected to each other for sharing information form a dash. Correct answer. Network. Next one. Dash document means the file is transferred from your computer to another computer. Correct answer. Uploading. What is the small graphic symbol that every desktop contains? Correct answer. Icons. Next one. Which feature of one operating system and a single computer to process the task of several users at different stations in round robin fashion? The correct answer. Time sharing. Next one. What provides a platform for other software to run on operating system? The correct answer. Software. Next one. Which transmission mode is used for communication between a computer and a CPU? Correct answer. Simplex transmission mode. Next one. Dash is a thin plastic disc coated with magnetic acid. The correct answer. Floppy disk. Next one. What is the process of a computer transfer information into the server on the internet? The correct answer. Uploading. UTP and STP are the types of which cable? Correct answer. Divided pair cable. Next one. Mouse and keyboard are most common. Dash. The correct answer. Input devices. Next one. Dash refers to the speed at which the electron beams across the screen. The correct answer. Horizontal scan. Next one. Which facility is used to handle communication between video chipset and video RAM? The correct answer. Video adapter BIOS. The next one. Electronic transmission or document through point-to-point connection using a set of standard forms, message and data elements. This can be via leased lands, private network, or the internet. Is dash. The correct answer. Electronic data interchange. Next one. Name the type of computers which are made by taking the features of analog and digital computers. Correct answer. Hybrid computer. Next one. What provides exchange of information like invoice, sales, purchase, order, etc. The correct answer. Value ordered network. The next one. The function of a protocol or data sequencing, data routing, flow control, and dash. The correct answer. Error control. Next one. What to refer for a data that uses 4 bytes? The correct answer. Double wide. Next one. The way a particular application views the data from the databases that the application uses is a dash. The correct answer. Sub schema. Next one. Where does the commands coming from that ALU, a computer response. The correct answer. Control section. Next one. What is the first Indian web browser? The correct answer. Epic. Next one. ஓகே, மொத்தம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த வீடியோவில் 100 முக்கிய வினாக்கள், அதாவது கம்ப்யூட்டர் சயின்ஸ்லேருந்து 100 வினாக்களை பதிவிடப்பட்டிருக்கிறது. இந்த 100 வினாக்களுமே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா மிகவும் மிகவும் முக்கியமான கேள்விகள். இந்த வீடியோவை தொடர்ந்து நமது டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி மாஸ்டர் யூடியூப் சேனலில் நடப்பு நிகழ்வுகள், பொது அறிவு, தமிழ் வினா விடைகள் மற்றும் அரசு வேலைவாய்ப்பு செய்திகளும் பதிவிடப்பட்டு வருகிறது. இதை தாங்கள் தொடர்ந்து பெற்றிட டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி மாஸ்டர் யூடியூப் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், நண்பர்களுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். இஃப் யூ ஹாவ் எனி கொஸ்டின், உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோவில் ஏதேனும் சந்தேகங்கள் இல்லை கருத்துக்கள் தெரிவிப்பாக இருந்தால் நீங்கள் நமது டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி மாஸ்டர் யூடியூப் சேனலில் கமெண்ட்ஸ் பண்ணுங்கள், அல்லது டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி மாஸ்டர் 2014@gmail.com என்ற இமெயில் முகவரியிலோ அல்லது நமது ஃபேஸ்புக் பேஜிலேயோ உங்கள் கருத்துக்களை தெரிவிக்கலாம். நன்றி.